Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to use generative AI to generate image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. After presentation design page is created, we can select the page and then go to the top option bar. We can find magic background. This is the features of the Canva Pro. If you want to use it, you need to subscribe Canva Pro. Now I click it and then go to magic background. We can type the prompts to generate the image. For example, I use beach with blue sky and then click generate background and wait a moment. After generating, we have 4 options: the first option, the second option, the third option, and the fourth option. This is quite good. So if you want to have more options, we can go to generate again or type the prompts to give more information to generate. So this is how we can use generative AI to generate image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.